Hey frugal folks, I ordered this brake light for our old F-150 off of Temu. It was literally like $13, I think is what I got it for. Common issue with these third brake lights on F-150s. We got our 2006 F-150 crew cab, and I typically have to order one of these third brake lights after maybe usually a couple years. It tends to get a little hazy. These cheap ones, after you replace it, replace the OEM one, these cheapies don't really last too long. So I'm hopeful we can get this cleaned up. Also really common for these to leak. They get water in the screw holes, and I had it leaking just underneath the roof here. Get these two screws removed. We're gonna need those for the next one, and we should be able to take this guy, pop it straight out. We got our new one here. Here's the last one that I had on here, and you can see this one's gone. And they go from being clear, you know, it's that cheap plastic. They go from being nice and clear to changing to this nasty tinted yellow. So here's the original harness that we had on here. It's got some burned out bulbs, but I can get those replaced. We'll go ahead and reconnect this guy, because that's what we're going to be needing for this. It's going to actually plug into your main light socket here, and then it'll operate the new LED. Looks like we got 10 of them right there, and then there's going to be a halogen bulb there and a halogen bulb here. All right, we're reconnected. Got our wiring harness back in place. We got the brake pedal applied. We can see that bulb is still working. Actually, oddly enough, it looks like, oh, well, have to get a couple more of those. But yeah, sitting in there. Made sure our wiring harness gets put in there. And now we just need to use a clear silicone adhesive. So we'll go ahead and squirt a healthy amount in here. It should seal it up pretty good. And if you get any excess, all you have to do is just peel it away. That's the good thing about this stuff, is it's clear, so it doesn't really leave a noticeable issue. And to prevent that rain from getting in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little dollop of this stuff. Trust me, you don't want those water leaks. It's best to just put a dollop of this stuff on there like that, and you should be golden. But I'll wrap it up for that. This will do it for this third brake light install. Ooh, there's the storms a brewing, so perfect time to get this sealant in these holes, because as soon as it starts raining on this bad boy, it's going to be building up around the edges, and then also getting in little by little through those screws if you don't have them silicone. So make sure you do that. Appreciate you guys watching.